I'm going to take a crack at Simon and Garfunkel's "Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, in narrow streets of cobblestone, 'neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening. Fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sun flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sun said the words of the prophets are written on subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered the sounds of silence. Great lyric, Simon and Garfunkel. Terrific lyric. And now, Bridge Over Troubled Water. When you're down and out, when you're on the street, when evening falls so hard, I will comfort you. I'll take your part. When darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. Sail on, silver girl, sail on by. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. See how they shine. If you need a friend, I'm sailing right behind you like a bridge over troubled waters. I will ease your mind like a bridge over troubled waters. waters. I will ease your mind when you're weary, when you're feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I'll dry them all. I'm on your side, yeah, when times get rough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down. Simon and Garfunkel.